We like to take the hydrant layer that we have out into the field so we can do both GPS updates, get a better position on those hydrants, and then also have the opportunity to update uh, attributes while we're in the field, and then we can bring that information and append it back into our master layer or update our master layer. To do that, we need to populate our GPS workflow or GPS hydrants workflow with the hydrant data. We have 52 points here, and we want to be able to put those out in the field. We go to our workflow database, and we can refresh this. We can see that we have a GPS hydrant workflow that we already had set up. There's no data in that right now, so I'm going to go to my wizard, select GPS hydrant. We can go in here. We've already got a table set up that we've already put together, and this could be modified at this point. We'd want these fields to try to match to our GIS layer. So the attributes match. We'll go to data import, go to workflow import. And in this case, what we want to do is we want to use this import tool to go out and get our current version of our hydrants. We'll have to browse to that location. Here's our hydrants SQLite layer. And that should be now in the list. We'll connect, and then we can use this tool to do a matchup on that. We can auto match and make sure that we match the data, so we can pull the attribute data into our GPS hydrants layer, and click update, and then we can check our log and see how well we did here. Make sure there's not any errors associated with that. And now if we check we refresh our workflow wizard, we see that we have 52 points. And now ready to go out in the field, and we go to our GeoSync Go Plus project. You see there's nothing here, but if I refresh this now, we now have hydrants in this area, and we added a few up in near our current location. So now we have hydrants. Now we're ready to use any of the tools that we need to from here. We can ID these, update our attributes, or we can modify these with the move tool and edit the location for those. Once we've made changes in the field, we can come back to our and use our GPS to GIS tool, and then we can update use our hydrants, pick our hydrant layer here. We can use the update existing and append, connect, match our fields up, and then when we run this tool, it will update the attributes for those records. It'll also add any new records that we mapped. It will also update the attributes for any of the existing hydrants that we put out in the field.